Hey guys, Justin here with J Hart Model Works, and it's time for another shop card shout out. I got about 3 of these to do. They all came in, and I've just been sitting on them, working on other stuff, so it's time to get these taken care of. All of these guys are some great builders. We're going to go ahead and we're going to start with Robert over at the Garage with Zippi. Sent me this awesome shop card, a great truck build on it. Also sent me one of his proof cards. Apparently he had a whole set of cards ordered and they had the proof over the image, so he's sending those out. That's kind of cool. If you have not checked out the Garage with Zippi, I definitely go check him out. Link will be down in the description as well as up in the corner. He's got some absolutely great stuff. I know he's currently working on a shop truck for the shop truck group build. I think he's working on a 50 Chevy. It's real cool. It's not like a pristine show truck like the type of stuff I build. It's, kind of beat and weathered and the paint's worn off and you can see the primer. It's just some really kind of cool stuff going on. He's got a 55 Chevy that is just a gorgeous build coming along as well. A lot of great stuff. He has a lot of completed build videos down at towards the lower part of his channel. Even some RC stuff. I think there's some RC plane stuff down at the bottom if I remember correctly. But he also has an absolutely gorgeous red 49 Chevy pickup that he calls Ruby. Definitely worth going to check out Ruby. It's an awesome truck. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, definitely give Zippi a check out. Next up, we have Marc over at Blue Street Customs. He sent us a 2-sided card. Great build on one side, some cool artwork on the other, as well as a sticker. I got stickers. I like stickers. I put them everywhere that I can. I'm running out of space at the moment, but I'm going to find somewhere to put this because stickers are cool. So yeah, definitely some cool shop cards here from him. Go check his channel out. The routine is going to be down in the corner up there as well. Great builder. He does a lot of scratch building, a lot of custom work, some kit bashing, just some really great stuff coming out of him. I know he's got a 30 Ford that he's working on, kind of a cool hot rod. He's working on a big rig for the big rig group build. He does military, he does cars, he does a lot of really cool stuff. So definitely go ahead and give him a check out as well. That's going to be Marc over at Blue Street Customs. And last but certainly not least, we have Hobby Time with Papadan. Everybody knows Dan. I'm pretty sure everybody knows Dan. If you don't know Dan, go check out Dan. Dan is an awesome builder. He also sent me a card for Caleb's Corner. It's got some cool stuff on there as well. Nice Gundam. And I got another sticker. So yeah, definitely check Dan out. If you have not checked out Dan's channel, definitely give him a check out. I know he's involved in a lot of the group builds. I know he's involved in the Egg Plane group builds. I think he's doing Egg Plane 1 this year. There's a really cool looking Air Force One Egg Plane group build. He does some of the egg ships. He does cars. He does military stuff. Just another very eclectic modeler. But he's got some great tips. He's also got a small, like a little mini series where he's taking the floating display shelves and he's modifying those to look really cool. So that's some great tips there. Just a lot of great stuff. I know he's been in he had a part in the Pearl Harbor group build. Just tons of really cool stuff. So definitely give him a shout out as well. Or check out. Give him a check out as well. Just some great stuff. Great guys. All 3 of these are just great modelers and great guys. Speaking of being down in the description down there, also in the bottom of that description is going to be a bunch of stuff as well. There's going to be links to various social media that I do. I post from time to time on Facebook in various groups like the International Scale Modeler. I post pictures on Instagram. There may be a Twitter down there. I don't know. I don't post anything to Twitter, but links. The important thing down there is the email. If you want to get a hold of me, you got a question you think I might know the answer to. If I don't know the answer and I know someone who I think will, I will definitely point you to the right person. If I can help you, I'll be more than happy to. Maybe not immediately. I do have a full-time gig, but as soon as I can, I'll reply back. Also, if you want one of my shop cards, just email me down there as well. So that's definitely a way to get a hold of me if you need to. Also down in that list is a list of channels that, great channels that I love to support. Channels like, Chris over at CD Scale Models and Sean at the Scale Model Car Guy channel. Charlie Mack is down there. International Scale Modeler is down there. Paul's at ISM, where he does all of his live streams. Scale Motor, definitely just a ton of great channels are down in that list. Definitely people that I recommend watching as well. So that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Keep modeling, and I'll catch you on the next one.